it's really a pleasure to start and to be at the ACHEMA again. And when I compare what we have, the progress we made over the last 4 years, it's a huge change for the industry. So during the COVID time, we had a really constraint to get in contact with our customer, and we have developed new technology to keep in contact and support our customer and to get in contact with our partner also with a new digital solution and so on. The partnership with B&S is really successful thanks to several topics. For me, it's more than only a business partnership. It's really our vision and our value, which we are focusing for our customers, they are matching together. And this is very important. What we do is we are bringing to the market together with experts and competence on each field with the aseptic filling, but also the aseptic isolator, which is a requirement from our customer. From the start, from the sales phase until the end of the qualification media field, our combined effort will bring to the success. So we are like a team at the start with the sales people, and until the end we are working together. Both companies, they are listening to the customer needs. They really focus on understanding the requirements, the process, so that we can provide a solution which answers this. It's not only a one-shot partnership what we are doing with our customer, it's a long-term relationship what we are expecting. We are really from the board, from the management, from the people who work together at the customer side. It's a relation between people, and this is very important that it matches together.